few hours there to kill. So we have just arrived at SeaWorld. We actually got these tickets. We didn't buy them. We purchased tickets for Discovery Cove because I wanted to have a day there. Chris had never been and I wanted to bring him along to experience that. So yeah, we had a lovely day at Discovery Cove, and as part of that deal, when I bought the tickets, Busch Gardens, SeaWorld, all of that was pretty much free to come to. So usually I wouldn't be mad on buying a ticket to SeaWorld because I don't know, I think after seeing that Netflix show, it's kind of, how ethical is it, you know? So I wouldn't really go out of my way to buy a ticket to come here. But we have some time to kill, so we decided we'll just come along and jump on a few roller coasters. But the difference here with Disney World and Universal, especially for parking, is miles apart. It's actually $40, not including tax.
$42.50, ma'am.
It's $40 to park your car here without the tax. And in Disney and Universal, it's $35. Now, I was expecting it to be free to come park here because I thought not a lot of people were actually coming here, especially when they have Universal and Disney to choose from. But it's actually more expensive. And the girl just blew a bubble in our face, popped a chew gum bubble in our faces, asking what we were here for. And it's so funny, you go to Disney and they're like, hi friend, and the different energy is so funny. And we paid more. We actually paid more to be here, to park our car, which I'm finding crazy because I honestly thought nobody was coming here.
And it's 5:45.
And it's 5:45, so $40. Like, where are they getting that? SeaWorld is not as fun, or I don't know. What am I missing here? Disney and Universal are the top parks, not SeaWorld. So why are they charging $40 to park a car here? And it's less in Disney. I don't get that. But anyways, yeah, the energy of the lady taking the money off of us was hilarious. There was no hello friend, have a great day, asking any questions. She just was chewing gum and she burst a bubble in my face practically. But anyways, yeah. That's the difference, but here we are at SeaWorld. I am getting reminded as well of the last time I was here. I was here before, a good few years back. So I do remember how the park was. The only difference now is that there is more coasters. But I do remember being here. I do remember going to a restaurant here with my mum and sister with the sharks in the tanks behind you while you were eating. And that was good. I will say there is good points to come into this park. And by the looks of it, it is the rides as well as the shows. So maybe it is worth coming to. I haven't come in a long time. And I suppose when you've Disney and Universal as well competing with it and competing with your time here, you're gonna pick them over SeaWorld. But the fact that we had a bit of spare time is the reason we're here right now. So I will report back on how we felt in the park and how we enjoyed it, what we liked, what we didn't like. Yeah, I will get back on that. So yeah. Chat soon.
I think they play musical statues now.
Okay, see, this makes me sad because have you ever seen Happy Feet? Did you ever watch Happy Feet? This is, for me, I'm like, it doesn't feel right.
No.
It doesn't.
I do agree.
Yeah, I just, I don't enjoy this. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. It's great to see them, but like, if you watch Happy Feet, you're gonna get those vibes. Ooh, I don't know my thoughts on it. I don't know. I know they say that they rescue here. So they could be out in the wild getting killed as well by other animals. It's a circle of life as well, isn't it? I would not pay to come here though. The fact that we did not pay for a ticket here, it's fine. We're here. We're going to see what we see, but I wouldn't go out of my way and spend money for a ticket to SeaWorld. Oh my God, he's huge. Look at how big. Wow. I actually can't believe how big they are. Like, wow. I feel like a walrus after being on this holidays eating American filth.
I look like a wolf.
Just saying. So we've just finished up in SeaWorld here. We just went to see the orca show there. And yeah, we're just done now. So we're heading out of the park. And yeah, just to recap, actually, here comes Chris. Let's see what Chris thought of it. Okay.
We done?
Yeah. Yes. We're going. What did you think of SeaWorld coming for the first time?
Right. So you know me and animals. I love animals, and I was a little bit reluctant about coming here. Obviously, we got it as a part of the deal, so might as well just come check it out. So yes, like the ice skating, Winter Wonderland on ice, fantastic show, great production, fantastic dance, which is something what we like. It's something that really will tickle my fancy, as I love production, I love events, and that definitely ticked the box for me. Now, seeing the penguins down in that underground aquarium, I don't know if you can say aquarium, and they actually generally look very sad. That is not something I would pay money for. No, it made me sad. I don't think that's a natural place for animals to be. Orcas I've never seen live. I've never seen orca live, so yes, it was impressive. The majestic animals. It was great, but thinking that they are locked in that little, and I'm sure I don't know. I've not enough knowledge to be saying that they're either happy or unhappy. But I remember in 2020 when everyone told me to stay in my apartment, I was extremely unhappy. So, and I'm not even half of the size of that orca. So that's pretty much my opinion about SeaWorld.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I've been here before, so I kind of knew what to expect. Nothing was new to me. It was just kind of the same as it was last time. I can see why people come here. Obviously, it's more of a budget place to come to.
Is it? With the parking
For tickets, except the parking, but definitely it's cheaper to come here than Disney and Universal. You can guarantee. We got free tickets. Like, we didn't even pay for these tickets in. So you wouldn't get that with Disney. So I feel like, yeah, of course they'll get people coming. There's shows, there's animals, there's roller coasters, there's everything for the family. But standard-wise, I don't think it's up there. I think the highest standards in a park is coming from Disney, in my opinion. And Universal is right there as well. But Disney is like overly friendly, overly clean. Like, they're making sure it's magical for everybody. And Universal is...
It's there too.
It's there too. It is. Like, you're paying for your ticket in those parks, but they're worth it. I just think the standard is higher.
And then energy and vibe is different, and that's what matters to us.
Actually, energy and vibe, just speaking on that, the staff here are not really the friendliest, because we were ordering, as well as the girl when we were driving in, who didn't really care. We were ordering pretzels, and I was asking, is this sauce cheese? And she was like shrugging at me, and then she tried to ask another girl. The other girl just shrugged, and they just kind of ignored me. So I was like, okay, I'll take the sauce anyways. Let's hope it's cheese.
It wasn't cheese.
It wasn't even cheese, but they didn't care. And then when we were being served the food and paying for it, the girl was just like, looking at me like, what do you want? That's what we're
The
buying.
camera was hidden, so it's not like we were annoying.
No,
right?
no, we weren't. We weren't recording anyone. So it was just, the energy is so different. You do anything like that in Disney and you probably get the sack, but
Just give the poor girl cheese and you get a good review.
yeah, like they just look like they hated their jobs. Other than that, the performers were great here, though. I have to say, the dancers, they were great. The ice skating
skaters,
dancers, yeah,
yeah.
they were brilliant. So
Phenomenal.
yeah, that's our view. If we had to pick between all the parks, we wouldn't be going out of our way to purchase these tickets. But we had a good time coming, anyways. Thanks so much for spending the day with us. We hope you enjoyed it. And we will see you all again soon with more wedding talk. Thank you.